Okay, now let's solve 5 math questions. Pero every item, i-post nyo muna yung video para sagutan nyo muna bago nyo makita yung solutions natin. Let's do number 1. John decided to cycle to his friend's house at a speed of 6 km per hour. And the journey took 30 minutes. How far did John cycle? Di ba may mga formula ito kung paano hanapin yung rate, distance, at saka yung time. Una, understand the given. 6 km per hour, tapos 30 minutes lang. So, half lang ng 6, that is 3. Another one, no need na mag-memorize sa formula sa speed. Kasi, nandito na sa given. Itong 6 kph, speed na yan, or rate. Itong k na yan, that is kilometer or distance. Over hour, and that is time. Ang hinahanap natin ay distance. So, itong time na to, i-transpose natin, and that will be rate times time equals distance. So, kung distance equals r times t, and that is, ang rate natin ay 6 times 30 minutes, pero ito per hour ito. So, bali si 6 times, gawin nating hour yan, that is 0.5. So, ang distance is 3. Yan yung answer. At ito yung detalyado nating solution. Next, Lynn left home and drove at a rate of 60 miles per hour for 2 hours. She stopped for lunch, then drove for another 4 hours at a rate of 65 miles per hour. How many miles did Lynn drive to reach to her destination? So, yung distance 1 at saka distance 2 plus distance 2, yan yung answer na natin. So, ang una, hanapin natin yung distance dito. Ang rate, formula ng rate ay distance over hour or time. So, rate times time equals distance. Meaning, yung distance A, yung distance 1, itong una, equals 50 times 2, and that is 100. Distance 2, 65 times 4, and that is 260. So, i-add itong dalawa, and that is 360. At ito na yung sagot. Ito naman yung detalyado nating solution. Distance 1, distance 2, at ito yung sagot. Number 3, a boat takes 4 by 5 as much time to travel downstream as to its return. If the rate of the river's current is 6 kph, what is the rate of the boat in still water? 4 by 5, meaning 4 pababa, 5 pataas. Yung rate niya, ito mas mabilis kasi yung current niya ay 6 kph. Tapos ito naman ay mas mabagal kasi may sumasalubong siya sa current na 6 kph. So, let B be the rate of the boat. Itong si 4 down equals 5 up. Si 4 down will be B plus 6 kasi tumutulong siya sa speed mo. Tapos, yung up, B minus 6 at tumutulong din siyang nagpapahina sa speed mo. So, 4B plus 24, this is 5B minus 30. Transpose natin yan. Ipagsama ang mga like signs. And this is 5B minus 4B equals B. So, i-add mo yan, that is 54. So, ang answer is 54. At ito yung detalyado nating sagot. Next, if a car travels 60 kph, what is the distance to travel in 30 minutes? So, pareho lang din sa una. Half ng 60, and that is 30. So, ito yung detalyado nating solution dyan. Pwede nyo i-post para mas makita nyo. Number 5. A car travels 120 miles at the speed of 40 miles per hour and makes a return trip at a speed of 60 miles per hour. What is its average speed in miles per hour? Average, meaning total distance divided by total time. Yan yung average. Una, kunin natin yung total distance niya. 120 miles daw. A car travels 120 miles at a speed of 40 miles per hour. Yung 120 miles, isang way yun. So, times 2 natin yan. And that is 240. So, mayroon na tayong distance na 240. Divided by yung total time niya. Yung 40 miles per hour, hindi man sinulat kung ilang time yan. So, knowing na ang rate ay equals to distance over time, so, rate times time equals distance, that means kung time equals distance over rate. Yung distance niya is 120. 120 ang distance niya. Divide mo sa 40 na rate and your time will be 3 hours. Yung isa naman, 60 miles per hour. Bale, dito natin ilagay. 120 divided by 60 and that is 2 hours. So, 2 hours plus 3 hours, that is 5 hours. Yan na yung total time. So, total distance divided by total time, yun na yung answer natin. 240 divided by 5, that is 48. At ito na yung sagot. And this is our detailed solutions na pwede nyong i-post para matingnan kung paano.